Hello, so this is homework number 7, example 11 YouTube video. This is Savannah Boletto. So first, what I'm doing here, I'm importing my turtle, I'm creating the screen, we know the deal with here. So in this case, we're dealing with a drunken pirate, and we have two points here. We have a list of his movements. So first his angle, and then the number of steps he takes. We have the list here. Now I create a nested variable here. So for the angle and steps in the drunken pirate, if the angle is greater than 0, so 160, so if it's positive angle, you're going counterclockwise, so you're going left. If it's negative, you go clockwise right. So if the angle is greater than 0, so if it's positive, then the pirate is going to turn left. Otherwise, it's going to turn right. And then it's going to go forward however many steps they want it to go. And so if we go ahead and run this, we have a not very exciting little flip. So that's where the drunken pirate went. He didn't go too far. Okay.